Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this color on this wig. This wig is a wig that I am working with for my own line, so please don't even bother asking for that information. Let's jump in. We're using the Adore Sweet Mint, the Adore Baby Blue, the Kiss Express Electric Yellow, Orange Blaze by Adore, and Violet Gem also by Adore. You're going to need some clips. You're going to need 5 bowls and brushes. You're going to need a comb and a wig, obviously, and a wig canvas head and a stand. I will link all products that I've used down in the description box. This is what I use to determine my colors. And I'm using the Violet Gem, and I'm going to mix it with conditioner, white conditioner. Please do not use any other colors. I went ahead and did the same thing to the other products off camera, and I'm going to start at the root with the Violet Gem. Make sure when you're brushing the dye onto the hair, you want to be as gentle as possible. You don't want to stain the lace. But this is a frontal unit, so you don't really have to be as clean and neat as you would have to on a full lace wig. Those of you who don't know what a full lace wig is, it is a wig that does not have tracks. This is a frontal unit, and it has tracks in the back, and it has a frontal in the front. I'm hoping you guys are catching my pattern. I have the Violet Gem, the Electric Yellow, and then I have the Baby Blue, Orange, and then I have the, nope, I'm sorry, I have the Sweet Mint after the yellow. So I have Violet Gem, Electric Yellow, Sweet Mint, Orange Blaze, and I have Baby Blue in the end. And I'm going to do that throughout the whole head. But I did make sure that I slowed this video down because I wanted you guys to actually see and get an idea of everything that I was doing. And don't mind me, I'm on the phone. And when you're coloring hair, you want to make sure that you wear something you just don't care about. You're always more than likely going to see me in a black shirt and some bottoms that I could care less about when I'm coloring hair. And make sure that you put a bag down on the floor because my dye kind of got runny. So you don't want it to drop down on your carpet. You want to make like put like a bag or something down on the floor. Just rip it in half. That's what I always do. So. Make sure that also when you're dyeing and coloring the hair, you want to make sure that you massage the dyes throughout each strand of the hair. You want to put it on the front and the back. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the beginning. You'll see me playing with the clips. I did clip the frontal part off from the back of it. And that's what you see right there with the metal clip on it. In the front is 4 of them. I just sectioned those off out of the way from the hair in the back. Alright, now that I'm done with the back part, I'm going to start at the front. I know you guys can't get like a really good picture of a really good idea of what I'm doing, but I promise on the opposite side it's a lot clearer. And when you see me patting the dyes off of my glove, that just means that I have too much on the brush, and I don't want to have so much on the brush to the point where it's like seeping through the hair onto the lace. So I want to get it as thin as possible and just like lightly pat it onto the lace, or lightly pat it onto the hair, not the lace. Make sure that when you are brushing the dye onto the hair, make sure that you are brushing the front and the back. You don't want to have blonde strands when you go rinsing it out. Alright, you guys will get a better view from this side of what I was doing on the opposite side. I did let this wig sit for about an hour, and I rinsed the wig with cold water because when you are rinsing the colorful wigs, you do not want to rinse with hot water. And this is how it looks rinsed. If you guys like this video, please, please, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I love you guys. Bye.